this back catch is obviously not right. It appears to be missing the spring, it's missing a screw, and it doesn't want to move correctly. Let's see what we can do about that. So I'll remove its last remaining screw. What I'm hoping is that the spring is present, but it's not doing anything useful because it hasn't got this screw there. We may be lucky, we may be not. Yeah, the spring's there. So the spring's there, but we were missing a screw. And the spring hasn't even been mutilated. So I'll find another screw and we'll put that back together. Okay, so let's put these pieces together. What I normally do is start by putting one of the screws through the bracket, flipping it over with my finger, put the moving piece in place, so that the long slot is against that screw, and then fitting the spring in there so it's propped up between the screw and the moving piece. And taking the whole section, now this is a bit awkward and you can end up dropping this a few times. Let's see if I can get this to focus a bit better. That might help. Lift this gently into place. Run that screw down. Check that this moves correctly, and if it does, it means that the spring's correctly placed. If it doesn't move correctly, take it apart again, because it means the spring's dislodged, and you will damage it if you tighten the screws down on the spring when it's not in the correct position. Okay, so there's our back catch cover working again, and that was all because it was missing one screw but the spring was present. So that's a nice simple fix.